Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. You might heard some background noise, and that is because the people who are celebrating Hari Raya are playing a lot of firecrackers or fireworks. I don't know where do they get those firecrackers. They really sound like bomb. But that's not the point. My name is Denis, and today we're going to be talking about why the stock market has been plunging and has been looking like a bloodbath the last few weeks. So if you like more videos like this one, I post them once or twice every single week. Subscribe if you're new around here, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video just like this one. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So the stock market has been looking like bloodbath for the last couple of weeks, and God knows what the heck is going on. Normally, I am not concerned whenever I see my portfolio being down this much, but this time, I started to question myself too. And that is when I started to do some research, and I actually came up with 4 conclusions, and these conclusions might help you, but they're not financial advice, so just take it as a grain of salt. Number 1, the tensions of having World War III. Yes, what a time to be alive. And it's year 2021. I don't know why people are still fighting for certain stuff, but I'm just too naive to know or understand those people. But anyways, you guys must have heard Palestine and the Israel conflict. And if you guys are wondering which side I'm picking, I'm actually picking my backside. So everyone knows that when World War happens, money is just not valuable at all. Everyone is just prioritizing food and shelter over money. So nobody really cares. So that is why it sparks the fear from people selling off in the stock market. Let me give you an example here. Look at this Instagram post right here. It says to boycott the Coca-Cola company. The reason why they're trying to boycott the Coca-Cola company is because it's an Israel company built in Palestine or something. I don't want to be too political. I'm not sure, and I'm very neutral on this topic. All that I'm saying is I'm invested into this company, and that is why it actually relates to this tension. And if you don't know what is going on, search it up on TikTok or Google. It's everywhere. Number 2, it's the inflation in the US, and this might be the main reason why stock markets and cryptocurrencies are selling off like crazy just the past few weeks or the past few days. I'm going to plug a video from Chicken Genius Singapore because he explains it way better than I do.
Labor shortages and increased demand. Businesses are feeling the heat, and this will cause a spike in inflation, meaning to say stuff gets more expensive.
And because of the businesses struggling to keep up with the demands, Janet Yellen said it may be that interest rates will have to rise somewhat to make sure our economy doesn't overheat, even though the additional spending is relatively small relative to the size of the economy. So that's probably one of the reasons why people are selling off, because they don't want to be taxed or they don't want to lose their gains. Number 3, the pandemic is not getting any better. You can see up to 11 May, the cases are still rising. Some places are improving and some are just getting worse. For example, India. They had over 348,000 cases in one day as of 11th of May. Now that is just beyond our imaginations. It's nightmare there. My heart goes out to the people in India. I wish them all the best, and let's hope that we could really go through this period as soon as possible. But it's not all bad, because number 4 on the list, we've got people going into the cryptocurrency space. My gains in cryptocurrency has been crazy for me, and it's been beyond my imagination. I've never expected to make this much capital gains from cryptocurrency, but it is true. The reason why a lot of people are jumping into cryptocurrency investments right now is because there are a lot more incentives and the gains are, very crazy. And that is why people just sell off their stocks and go into cryptocurrencies. Ethereum just hit an all-time high of $4,000 just a few days ago when I'm recording this video. So, you can already tell, right? I believe this is one of the reasons why people are not paying the full attention to the stock market right now, because, everyone chasing gains and, they're chasing it back, just like I am. Anyways, it makes sense for people to sell off heavily right now and keep everything in cash because they're not optimistic of the future. But always remember, the legendary investor Warren Buffett said, "Be greedy when everyone is fearful, and be fearful when everyone is greedy." Now, he's a legendary investor for some reason, and I believe what he said is really true. So if you were to ask me what am I gonna do to my portfolio, I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging. And if you want to do the same, feel free to do so. It's not a financial advice. If anything, the prices in the stock market right now would be a bargain. I'm pretty sure we as humans will get past this tough time sooner or later. fingers crossed. So with that being said, I hope you guys don't feel scared or don't panic because my portfolio is down tremendously. I am only 1% in the green the last time I checked. But don't be afraid. Investing is always on the long term. If you don't see anywhere from 5 to 10 years right now, then you should not be investing at all. So I hope this video can calm you down from trying to grab all your money out of the stock market. Stay invested, continue to dollar cost average. I hope you guys find value in this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe. That will make me really happy, and with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.